Hi friends, how are you? Hope you're doing good. So let's begin with our today's first alphabet and आज का alphabet है U. U की sound होती है अ अ. So let's listen to the song and see the action. So we have to pretend जैसे कि अम्ब्रेला पकड़ के एक हाथ से खोलते हैं and that's the action. up go umbrellas. और इसके लिए जो हम examples use कर सकते हैं जैसे कि up, umbrella, umpire, then uncle, upset, under. और जो इसके लिए examples use नहीं करने हैं जैसे कि हम लोग use करते आए हैं uniform. So phonics में this doesn't give the sound of a, it gives the sound of u, unicorn. So ये alphabet का नाम बोल रहा है. We are not going to use these examples. Uniform, unicorn, unicycle, utensil, united. Let's move on to our next alphabet, which is V. और V और W दोनों की sound हिंदी में व होती है, लेकिन जो V को प्रोनाउंस करने का तरीका है और जो W को प्रोनाउंस करने का तरीका है वो थोड़ा सा अलग है. V को हम लोग बोलेंगे इसमें व नहीं बोलेंगे. और let's listen to this song and see the action.
Trifix ran round the village. Trifix ran round the village. Trifix ran round the village.
So इसमें जैसे van में जैसे बोला है वैसे just pretend you are driving the van and that's the action. और इसके लिए जो हम example use कर सकते हैं van, west, valley, village. So our next alphabet is W. और W की sound भी जैसे हिंदी में व होती है वही है, और इसको हम pronounce करेंगे व जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं white, what, why. So let's listen to the song and see the action.
I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong.
So जैसे कि that's the action. जैसे कि आप खूब जोर से हवा कर रहे हैं, that is the sound. wind की जो sound है. और इसके लिए जो हम examples use कर सकते हैं wind, white, window, west, wish, water, waste. So our next alphabet is X. और X की जो sound होती है वो होती है x, x. और let's listen to the song and see the action.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
So we have to pretend as if we are holding a X-ray camera and we are taking our X-ray with camera. X, x. So that was the sound. And इसके लिए जो हम examples use कर सकते हैं X-ray. Actually X के लिए बहुत कम example है, so we can use the examples which are ending with the sound X also, like fix, wax, six, box. So let's move on to Y, and the sound of Y will be y, जो हिंदी में हम use करते हैं y. Let's listen to the song and see the action.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yep, 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 yep.
So it's जैसे कि you are pretending you are eating with spoon. Yeah, yeah. Yogurt, banana, and the examples which we can use for this are yogurt, yoga, very common, yellow, you, yam, york, yo-yo, yard, yummy. So here we come to our last alphabet, which is Z, and the sound for Z will be Z. Z. So let's listen to the song. And
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
so it's like you pretend like a bee, honeybee, and जैसे honeybee का wing से आता zzz. I don't have so much of space to show you, so just keep your hands on your sides and just flip your hands fast and just show as if you're buzzing. और इसके लिए जो हम लोग examples से use कर सकते हैं जैसे zebra and zero, zoom, zigzag, zip. With this we come to an end with the sounds of A to Z, all the alphabet sounds we have covered. So in total we have covered 25 sounds, not 26, because C and K are having same sound, that is considered as one. So we are done with 25 sounds. So to complete 42 sounds, I'm going to upload a few more videos which will have the digraph sounds. Just before that, I'm going to upload one more video which will have the sounds of all alphabets from A to Z along with the actions. So just wait for that. And if you like my videos and if you feel my videos are helpful for you, please click on the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.